So now we are going to see about attenuation factor alpha for TE waves. In the last sessions, we have derived the expression for TE wave equations, that is EY is equal to C2 sin m pi by ax, C2 sin m pi by ax into e power minus gamma z. Hx is equal to C2 j gamma by mu omega sin gamma x into e power minus gamma z. Sin gamma x is nothing but m pi by a, and hz as j by mu omega C2 cos gamma x into gamma x into e power minus gamma z. Next, in these equations, substitute gamma x is equals to m pi by a and e power minus gamma z as e power minus j beta z. Okay, then I will get EY is equals to C2 sin m pi by ax into e power minus j beta z. Hx is equal to C2 j into j beta divided by mu omega sin m pi by ax into e power minus j beta z. Hz is equals to j by mu omega C2 cos m pi by ax into m pi by a into e power minus j beta z. Okay, so after substituting these two, I get finally EY Hx Hz for TE waves. Now simply I am considering the similar terms as one constant. See here, I am having EY is equal to here C2 j square as minus beta, j square as minus 1 minus beta by omega mu sin m pi by ax into e power minus j beta z, and here j by mu omega C2 cos m pi by ax into m pi by a into e power minus j beta z. Okay, so here, okay, so these are the final expressions. Now the magnitude, the same process we did for the TEM waves. We have to follow the same method. First we have to calculate the magnitude of current density. The magnitude of current density for parallel plane waveguides will be equal to the tangential component of H, that is Hz. Okay, so always the magnitude of current density for the parallel plate waveguide in TE waves, it will be equal to the tangential component of magnetic field intensity. So here I am having the tangential component of magnetic field intensity is Hz. That is nothing but along the propagation. The electromagnetic wave is propagating along z direction. So that component we have to consider, and that is nothing but the magnitude of current density. So here in this equation, what is the magnitude? Magnitude of current density is equals to m pi by a into c2 into, we won't consider the imaginary terms because we are calculating the magnitude. Okay, so here 1 by mu omega will consider, that is simply m pi c2 by a mu omega. Okay, now power lost per unit length. Directly I am writing for 2 plates. So here it is equal to I square Rs. Okay, so here I square is nothing but this one, m pi c2 by mu omega a whole square into Rs. Okay, this is the power lost. Now we have to calculate power transmitted per unit area. Power transmitted per unit area. So this is a formula E cross H star. So to calculate the alpha, we are having the formula, that is power lost per unit length divided by power transmitted. So I am calculating these two individually. First power lost, next power transmitted. So here half into what is magnitude of E and what is magnitude of H. Ex Hy. Okay, so here I am having not Ex, I am having Ey Hx. Okay, if suffixes are changing, we have to place negative sign. I am having Ex Hy half into Ex Hy, but we are having Ey Hx. The suffixes are changing, so I have to add negative sign. So here negative sign is added such that I will get minus 1 by 2 into, so here I am having Ey, that is C2, next Hx, that is C2 into beta by mu omega. Here I am having j square, it is nothing but minus. This minus I am not considering because in the formula we are having magnitude. Okay, so I will write C2 square beta by mu omega into sine square m pi by a x. So this as equation 1. So minus 1 by 2 into C2 square beta by mu omega into sine square m pi by a into x. Consider this as equation 1. Now power transmitted per unit area. So it is nothing but integration from x is equal 0 to a c2 square beta by mu omega sine square m pi by a into x into dx. Here why we are considering this integration? Okay, we are not considered the integration in the case of TEM wave, because in the TEM wave we are not having this cos gamma x of x terms. Why we haven't considered this term means gamma x is equals to m pi by a, and here m is equal to 0 for TEM wave, because it is a special case of TEM. TEM is becoming the special case of TEM because if I substitute m is equal to 0, I will get TEM wave. If I substitute m is equal to 0, cos of 0 will become 1. Okay, so here that's why we haven't considered this cos and sine terms. So we haven't considered the integration in TEM waves, but here in TE we are considering the integration from x is equal 0 to a, because the wave is restricted along x is equal 0 to a, and we are taking this integration because the sign terms are involved. Okay, so we have to do the integration from x is equal 0 to a. So here I'll get c2 square beta by mu omega integration x is equal 0 to a sine square theta is nothing but 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. So here 1 minus cos 2 theta is nothing but m pi by a into x divided by 2, and we are doing differentiating along x direction. So here half c2 square beta by mu omega, and if I do the integration for 1 I'll get I'll get x minus cos integration is sine 2 m pi by a into x divided by 2 m pi by a. Okay, so here m is a integer. If I do the integration from x is equal 0 to x is equal to a, as m is integer for every, and here I am having 2 into m, so even number. So I'll get this value as 0 sine n pi, it is always 0. If you do the integration you will get 0 here. The second term totally will become 0. So half into, in the place of x I have to substitute 1 time 0, 1 time a. Okay, so directly I am writing a into c2 square beta by mu omega. Okay, now power transmitted per unit area is equals to minus 1 by 2 into this one, 1 by 2 into beta c2 square a by mu omega. So this is nothing but minus beta c2 square a by 4 mu omega. Now alpha is equal to power lost per unit length for 2 plates divided by twice the power transmitted per area. So here what is power loss per unit length for 2 plates? M pi c2 square mu omega a whole square into rs divided by 2 times the power transmitted, that is minus beta c2 square a by 4 mu omega. Okay, if I simplify this one I'll get minus 2 m pi whole square beta mu omega a square into r s. Okay.